What's up, guys? Toast again from Fishyaker. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning right now, January 28th, 2021, Thursday morning, on the north branch of the Susquehanna River in Bloomsburg, Pennsylvania. It's a balmy 23 degrees out right now. I'm actually in between meetings. Thought I'd swing by, let you guys see what it looks like. I was expecting to see some ice on the river today, and this is what you're looking at. So, yep, we got some ice flows going down, some pretty skinnier ice flows, not big, huge chunks like we often get this time of year, but yeah, these ice flows from the eddies and everything upstream coming down. And of course, all the eddies are frozen, even more frozen than they were the other day. But yeah, it's 23 degrees out here. It's pretty darn cold. Thought you guys might want to see it. It's the first ice flow we've had this winter. Yep. It's chilly. If you haven't yet, be sure to click and subscribe to the Fishyaker YouTube channel. Give us that thumbs up. Share the video on all your social media outlets. And we'll catch you on the water.
Fishyaker.com, the original kayak rigging video series.